Introducing the Rhino 1030, a powerful filtering system that improves the quality of air in any indoor environment. The Rhino is an ideal solution for our schools, gyms, restaurants, or any other indoor public space. This system is super effective. It can clean up the pollutants in the space by circulating and exchanging the air in a matter of minutes. It is efficient in energy consumption, easy to set up, and easy to maintain. The air runs through our special filtering system, which traps and collects large and small dust particles and was proven to be effective against bacteria, viruses, allergens, VOX, and other microorganisms. The D5 produces a measurable quantity of negative and positive oxygen ions through plasma discharge. These charged ions cluster around the microparticles. A chemical reaction produces oxidants that break down the structure of the pollutants, rendering them harmless. Increasing the quantity of charged oxygen ions to fresh air levels results in a continuous deactivation of viruses like COVID-19, bacteria, mold, spores, and allergens. Generian. Breathe in nature.